These white kitchen cabinets might look clean from a distance, but come a little closer. Let me show you how dirty they really are. See what I mean? They are so dirty, y'all. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean these sticky, greasy kitchen cabinets and get them look like brand new again with minimal effort. Let's do this. Here are the cleaning products and tools you need. Prod cutter. This is our main product today. It's non-toxic and works wonders on grease and grime. We'll also need 2 microfiber towels, one for cleaning and one for drying. Paper towels, great for wiping off excess grease. And last but not least, a small detail cleaning brush, perfect for those tricky spots and grooves. On to the cleaning now. First, start by dusting your cabinets. I recommend using a Swiffer duster for this task, like this one here. This step helps get rid of loose debris that's stuck to the grease. While it won't remove all the dust, it will reduce some of it and make the cleaning process easier. Grab a bucket and fill it with warm water. This will be for damp cleaning. Step number 2, spray your cleaning product directly onto the greasy areas. Let it sit for a few minutes so it can start breaking down the grease. You can work in sections so the product doesn't sit on the surface for too long. Step number 3, wipe the cabinets. Take your damp but not dripping microfiber towel and start cleaning from top to bottom. For the top of the cabinet door, you can use a butter knife wrapped on a damp towel to clean that tight area. As you go down cleaning, pay attention to these cabinet crevices or grooves because dirt loves to hide there too. A good small cleaning brush will do the trick. Step number 4, final wipe down. Now that the grease is gone, fill your bucket with clean warm water and then go over the cabinets and rinse thoroughly with a damp but not dripping microfiber towel. Now use your dry microfiber towel to dry and give the cabinets and handles a nice polish. Make sure to clean the inside of the cabinet too, since grease often sneaks in there, as you can see here. Note, if the grease is really thick, use a paper towel first to remove the bulk of it, then go over it with your damp towel. Look at that, the grease is coming off so easily, no scrubbing needed here. This will help not to make the towel dirty because we still need it for other cabinets as well. If this video is helpful to you, may you hit the like button and share so the video may spread to more people. Thank you for your support. If you don't have prod cutter, you can use Dawn dish soap instead. Just fill a bucket with warm water and add a few drops of Dawn, then dip your microfiber towel in the soapy water, wring it out and wipe down your cabinets. Rinse the towel and repeat as needed. This solution helps break down grease and cleans your cabinets effectively. Okay, now look at the before and now the after. Day and night difference. The transformation is amazing. The cabinets are sparkling clean. The heavy sticky grease on the cabinet is completely gone. Check out the next video I suggest for more valuable content and share this video with people in your life. Until next time, take care of yourself, my friend, because you're special. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.